guys, we're at Manjani Pav Bhaji Center, Borivali today, and we'll be having the most popular black pav bhaji and soya chum chums. I'll be having the soya chum chum first.
Alright, I'm gonna have the... You know, in normal pav bhaji, generally I feel that there's too much of tomato ka flavoring, which this I feel is slightly lesser. I'm gonna try this with my favorite, with kata hua kanda and some amazing mango. This is how pav bhaji should be had first.
It actually makes a difference.
Much better, right? Because there's that
the lime, the squeeze.
Pav bhaji without the raw kanda and the nimbu is like not having pav bhaji at all. Okay, now we are going to be attacking the soya chum chum. It has this very subtle flavor. It's not overpowering at all. Though it looks like really masaledar and you know, but it's definitely not overpowering. And you can actually have this without any kind of roti or bread or any other additional carbohydrates. I think it's very healthy. Okay, I'm going to have the bhaji separately just to see what is different about this. It tastes a lot like the regular pav bhaji, but it has that same masala, the different masala feeling that is there in the soya chum chum. The same that masala taste is there. I don't know what. I can't really put my finger onto it and say what it is, but it is slightly different. You know, a lot of people come here for the black pav bhaji, which is really good. But more or less it tastes like the regular pav bhaji, but the real winner is this, the soya chum chum, according to me, because it tastes very different from whatever I've tasted till now of street food or you know very Bombaya khana. ये बहुत अलग है.
So guys, we're going to be eating this clean. So see you next time. Bye.